What's the meaning of big box store? Big box store. Big box store.
Big box store. Big box store. A big box store, also known as a supercenter or superstore, is a large retail establishment that sells a wide variety of products under one roof. These stores typically have a floor area of more than 50,000 square feet and offer everything from groceries and electronics to clothing and home goods. They often feature large parking lots and are designed to accommodate high volumes of shoppers. Big box retailers are known for their low prices, which they achieve through economies of scale and bulk purchasing. The term big box refers to the store's large, plain, box-like appearance, which is intended to maximize their usable space.